Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into Steam and confirming SteamGuard is active so purchases go smoothly. Once done, open the Community Market and filter to Csgo Music Kits. Make sure you set your budget in dollars and pick a clear search term or artist name to narrow results quickly. You want to show only relevant listings. Use the category and sort by lowest price to spot bargains. This first step saves time and avoids invalid purchases, so double-check filters before moving on. Now compare several listings. You look at the price plus Steam fees and how many copies are available to assess urgency. Click into a listing and always sample the audio preview to confirm you like the kit. Read the description for any restrictions or edition notes. Decide between placing a buy order at a lower price or using the instant buy for immediate delivery. Buy orders save money but can take time. Make sure to monitor price trends for a few minutes to avoid overpaying. Complete the purchase using your preferred payment method and confirm the transaction. Once done, check your Steam inventory for the music kit and then open Csgo settings to equip it under Music Kits. If the item doesn't appear, first refresh your inventory and verify the purchase in Steam transaction history. Errors usually surface there. If still missing, submit a ticket to Steam support with the transaction ID. One quick troubleshooting tip: log out and back in or restart Steam.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.